What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a little maintenance video, and then it's also going to be putting the front end off of the 1HE car, peeking over there, onto the VR car. So I had the front end torn apart, obviously. All the body panels are off. Update on the VR car, it broke down on me a couple days ago and went to like a limp mode kind of thing. Crank speed signal was gone, PO 311 I think it was. I have to swap that new sensor in, that should fix it. Here's the sensor, goes into the block, reads the signal from the crank. Got an extra bolt with it. Shout out FCP Euro. And I got, totaled. I got a set of new plugs for it. Yeah, first we're gonna start out by opening a couple packages that came in for part for the VR car. We got a package from One Love Auto Group. This is going to complete the interior for the VR car. So you got your GTI anniversary shift knob. So this replaces your ugly stock 6-speed one, perforated leather. I need to get a new stamp, but yeah, so that's gonna look sweet. And it'll complete all the aluminum trim in here. And now I just need to get R32 seats, maybe R32 wheel, sport cluster, new headliner. You know, the ball just keeps rolling and rolling in this car. All right, so the new sensor is in. You guys can see it right there. I zip tied it to the AC line because getting it back in a stock location was not happening. I didn't care enough to do it, but this car has massive oil leak, so it's just filthy to work on. I might do a quick oil change on it because it's due. So I'm gonna actually, yeah, I'll do the oil change real quick. I have all the oil, and then I'll start pulling parts off the 1AT car.
And here we go. There she goes. Now we'll pop the oil filter out and put a new one in. Alright, so we got the new filter. Pop it up in, like so. And then put oil in it and start it and see if it dies or not.
So now we're gonna start tearing into the 1AT car. We'll pop the grill off, pop the bumper off, fenders, hood, and then we'll throw them on this car, throw the junk stuff on that, and then clean that up, post it up for sale. You got your grill off, you got your hood pull off, now you got your T30s, I believe, yeah, T30s, boom, boom, boom. There is 2 in here, and then slides off, and then we can take the bumper off.
Also, the fender liner, these are T20s. That piece is broken. That's all that's holding the bumper on, and then you slide it forward, and then we'll unplug these when we get there.
Alright, so the bumper is off. So I think I'll pull the fenders now, swap my fenders on, or at least up to one, because the other one's starting to bubble at the bottom, mine's not. So I'll make good ones out of either one, and then we'll throw that stuff on, and then I'll wait until Shane gets here, and then we'll pop the hood off, put my hood on, and then we'll button it up, and then should be good. Alright guys, so I'm taking off the fender, right? And my other car had this, the VR car. Just a friendly reminder to clean out this. So dirt doesn't get stuck in here, and then you start rusting and rusting and rusting. There's your PSA. So I don't know if you guys can see, but just my luck, that bolt is stripped. So I think I'm just gonna have to not go with this fender. It's just starting to bubble right here, but I can always find another fender. But the main thing is the hood and the bumper The hood was the biggest part. Yeah, so I'm gonna throw the fender liner back in and then put all the screws back in the fender and throw my old bumper on, take the hood off, put my old hood on, yada yada yada, and then I'll get back to you guys in a second. Okay, so my old bumper is on. Had that big rub mark right there, but other one's in better condition. So here's my old grill. All them white spots are rock chips, pretty bad. This one's got like barely any, so we'll throw my old grill on right now. All right guys, I'm gonna call it quits for the night. I'll do the hood tomorrow with my dad. I don't feel like making my girlfriend do all that, so yeah, this thing's still got a dead battery, so it's on the tender for the night. Hopefully it's good tomorrow and then we can start it up. But my coolant level is dropping and it's got like a nice little seepage there, so I'm gonna have to do a fucking coolant refresh on this thing. I'm getting tired of it, so I think I'm just gonna order aluminum rad, all new hoses, all aluminum stuff, and say fuck it, because if I do a 3-2 swap or something, might as well throw the aluminum stuff on. I'll pick this up tomorrow, so see you guys then. What is up guys? Continuing off yesterday's video, I'm gonna try and get the VR car all done today, hopefully. The tender was on it all overnight, so let's see if it'll start. I doubt it. Oh yeah. Start it up. All right, so now that we know the car starts, it's good. Hopefully it doesn't throw another code. When I first started it, excuse me, when I first started it sounded like the chains were not happy, so fuck it. We're gonna throw the bumper on, throw the fenders on, to take the hood off the 180 car over yonder. Throw that hood on here, throw that hood on there. Fenders are on. I have a door out back that I'm not going to take off the 180 car. Always do that later. But hood and grill and bumper are the main things I want. So let's grab the bumper and throw that on. So starting to look like a car again. Got the front bumper on. Fenders, everything looks good. So now we gotta take old hood off. This is why I want to swap them, because this is just touch-up paint right here, and it's like that all across. But looks pretty decent. I'm gonna leave the fender liners out for now. I took this padding out, honestly, because it doesn't really matter. Yeah, so I'm gonna pull this baby out and put them side by side. I love the sound of this car. Makes me very happy. And this 20th 337 shift knob is sweet. It's much taller, so it feels really good. Thing hasn't ran in a while, so it doesn't know how to act. Alright guys, so I never made an outro for the video for doing the hood swap, the grill, putting the shifter on, and doing some maintenance. So here's the outro. Car looks so much better without the rock chips all over the front clip, basically. I got the exhaust on. You'll see that video next, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Trying to get some more subscribers, maybe do a giveaway for 100 subscribers, something universal that'll fit everyone's car. So yeah, stay tuned.